Hello friends, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Realme 7 or 7i headphone jack problem or earphones not connecting problem. So before just starting the video, if you're first time on my channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing Realme 7 or 7i headphone jack problem, so first simply you just need to open settings and then follow a single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue if your issue is software related. So let's open settings.